Alright, this is pistol squats that are modified. Last time I tried to do them the other day, which was my first day of doing them, I used a pillow to make sure it was comfortable and easy. And now I'm doing it without a pillow, so I think I'm getting a little stronger. Wish me luck. I'm going to focus, so don't talk to me. Fuck. Shh. Don't say that. Okay, when I tried to do this the very first time, I couldn't even do one. I've been doing glute med activation. It's helped. Sort of. Okay, that was 9. All right, 9 and 9. That's good. That's better. I just wanted to talk about butterflies for a minute because I'm getting a lot, and part of the reason is because I grow milkweed. Milkweed is a flower, and it's an amazing flower, and butterflies like it. They lay their eggs on it, and then they hatch. They make a caterpillar, then they make a cocoon or pupusa or however you call it. I think that's a Spanish meal. And then they get born. They become a butterfly. It's amazing to watch them. I have a butterfly hotel. Anyway, I'm a butterfly way station now because milkweed proliferates like crazy, and each of the seeds has its own little parachute. So when it starts to become, go into seed, the parachutes fly somewhere, and they churn out to just grow into milkweed plants, and then the butterflies come to those. And milkweed, the butterflies eat a ton of milkweed. They're amazing. But the other thing that happens once they get born is they go to Mexico, and then they go to Canada, and then they come back to my house. If you keep the milkweed going, they'll come back, they'll lay new eggs, and then the process starts again. And we have a dearth of milkweed plants because of conventional farming, which is not good. We do not want GMO. We do not want pesticides. It's not good for the soil. It's not good for the butterflies. It's not good for us. It's not good for the air. It's not good for the groundwater. It's not good. Anyway, so if you feel inspired, you could grow, and if it's your zone, where milkweed grows, you could grow milkweed, and once you have, I think, 9 plants, then you become a butterfly way station, and the butterfly will come to you all the time. And so I get much more butterflies than I ever got before, because now they know they can come here, and they remember this from when they were born, when they were a little tiny butterfly egg into a little caterpillar, into a big caterpillar, into eating the whole plant, into the cocoon, and then into the butterfly. It's just amazing. And do you know what it's called? When butterflies are in their cocoon, or when a caterpillar makes the caterpillar dissolves. And you know what they dissolve into? Scientists call it imaginal cells. Isn't that cool? So they dissolve into imaginal cells. And the other thing I was going to say is, like, I just bought, I think, 2 milkweed plants, but because of the little parachutes on the seeds, milkweed just proliferates. So now I have 9 plants. I think that's what you need to be a butterfly way station, is 9, but I might be wrong. But it's so amazing because you can watch the process of a. You might not see the egg because they're very tiny, but then if you see the caterpillar, or you see the pupusa or cocoon, or whatever it is, when you see it, you can watch it. And if you have kids or people like me, they get so excited when the butterfly is learning to come out of its thing. And never help the butterfly out. The butterfly needs to pump against the cocoon, or whatever you call it, pump against it with its wings in order to get the fluid out of its body into its wings so that it can fly. If you help it, it won't get that exercise, because it takes like a couple hours for it to come out. It won't get that exercise, and it won't be able to fly. So they're amazing creatures. They're pollinators, and GMO food kills them and kills the food that they eat. So even if they don't die from the GMO or from the pesticides and herbicides and fungicides that we don't need, because if you grow regenerative, you don't need that stuff. Anyway, I've taken all these courses on soil biology. It's microbiology. I love it. Anyway, so, the butterflies need the milkweed. The milkweed thrives with the butterflies. It's this beautiful synchronistic thing, and all of our food relies on butterflies and bees and some mosquitoes, which are pollinators, and other pollinators as well. So anyway, if you want to grow some milkweed, that'd be fun. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful rest of your day.